Bravo Charlie Juliet airborne.
Bravo Charlie Juliet.
So you can see these big angry grey clouds there, but otherwise pretty nice around Sydney. There's the airport out the left hand side. They're not using that runway at the moment, it's out of action. There's some big crosses on it. Domestic and international terminal out the left hand side, private jets down the right hand side. We took off from the tiny little helicopter corner, but we're going to go up and have a look at Sydney City, up close and personal.
Tower, Jetstar 721, holding short, Sierra, ready.
Jetstar 721, Sydney Tower, give way to the inbound dash 8, taxi on point Tango 6, runway 3 for right.
Give way to the dash, taxi holding point Tango 6, 3 for right, Jetstar 721.
It's the Pacific Ocean up the right hand side. Roger, it's Bravo Charlie Juliet. Pacific Ocean up the right hand side, and the Blue Mountain on the horizon up the left hand side.
787, Sydney Tower, wind 230 degrees.
Sydney City in front of us there.
Right, clear to land.
City departures, hello again, Bravo Charlie Juliet established, Harbour Bridge 5 outbound, maintaining 1000.
Bravo Charlie Juliet departures, good day,
How high are we?
We're 1,000 feet or 300 metres above sea level, maybe 250 metres above the houses. We're coming up to the western side of Sydney City. There's a little area called Darling Harbour. There's a little bridge over there called the Anzac Bridge, but the Harbour Bridge, the one you really want to see I think, is just behind the sea. You'll see it in a moment. A bit of shade, it's pretty warm up here. So we've got Sydney Cricket Ground and Sydney Football Stadiums, two big stadiums out the right hand side. They can hold about 60,000 people each. There's a horse racing track, Randwick Racecourse out there. Some train lines going underneath us towards Central Train Station. Beautiful buildings down here are Sydney University. Old buildings like the quadrangle, old English college style buildings.
Is it like Oxford?
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. That's a Sydney University though. I think they must have copied the Oxford style building. Anyway, that's popular when that started. Beautiful buildings there. And Sydney City will come out our right hand side very shortly.
Romeo 405, flight plane. X-ray Foxtrot, short and slide Rose Bay to the northwest.
Oh, there you go, there's a bit of rain.
Climb 1000.
No need for winch of wonders. Romeo 405 traffic, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet is Darling Harbour, 1,000 feet, track to Southern Pylon, Orbis east the bridge, down 1000, 405. Just a quick windshield clean. We are going 200 kilometres an hour, so the wind just blows the water away.
Traffic on the Harbour Lane, Sarah with Bravo Fever Amphibian. Coming up to Ride Bridge. Southwest, mile and a half, shortly on 7500 eastbound.
Romeo 405, footplane India, Oscar Victor, shortly to slide to the northwest side of Rose Bay, climbing 1000, traffic ahead, 405.
So we'll come over Sydney Harbour Bridge, Sydney Opera House, with Circular Quay and a cruise ship at the terminal there. The bridge goes down the left hand side with Luna Park, little amusement park down there, a couple of roller coasters. And the Opera House comes down the right hand side with Botanic Gardens and Government House behind.
Flight plane, X-ray Foxtrot, Dearborn Rose Bay 200, climbing 1000, tracking the hit 405.
We'll head over towards Taronga Zoo. It's got harbour side views of Sydney and a nice spot for all the animals at the zoo. A seaplane just taking off out of Rose Bay. There's a second one taking off. You can see it just below the horizon there, red and white. They're going off to lunch in some of the rivers to the north. So we'll turn back here and have a nice look at Sydney. Sometimes you can see some of the big animals down there, giraffes or camels.
Oh yeah, we did that yesterday.
I'll put it out the right hand side in just a moment. Another seaplane taking off. And they'll turn right once they're airborne. You can see them splash, 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 getting up to speed.
Oh, yeah.
And once they're fast enough, they'll get off the water. And there's a city on the right hand side, by the way. Nice view of Sydney City. And I'll put it out the left in a moment. There we go, splash, splash. And they're airborne. Off they go. You can see it leaves the markings in the water behind it as it lifts up. There's a jet doing a scenic over the city as well. They don't often go that way. Must be avoiding that storm cell.
Right, bridge area, Sierra, which Bravo Beaver, descending from 1,500 eastbound.
There's that seaplane, yellow and white, off it goes.
Traffic to 1 north, plane, X-ray, long shot, north head, 1,000 northbound for long reach, traffic to 1 north.
There's a view of the city on the left hand side.
Romeo 405, foot plane, India, Oscar Victor, airborne, out of Rose Bay, 500, climbing 1,000, tracking ahead, 405.
Romeo 405 traffic, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet. Here's Bradley's head 1000, doing orbits to the east of the bridge at 1000, 405. There's a zoo out the right hand side. Bit of sunshine on the city after that big cloud moves along. Opera House, full sunshine.
Back in today.
Romeo 405 traffic, R44 helicopter, X-ray, Whiskey Zulu, Darling Harbour, 1,000. Tracking Southern Island, orbits east of the bridge, send for the head, 405.
Bay Zulu Bravo Charlie Juliet, just east of the bridge at 1000. We'll be tracking first heads now.
Copy, thanks.
Couple of kayakers on the harbour here, paddling around through the waves. Those tugboats pushing the boat into place. We'll head up to some of the northern beaches now, up towards Manly, you can see in front of us. 405 traffic, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet is Garden Island, 1,000 feet, tracking northbound to North Head, coastal for Manly and freshwater. Victor 1 north and 405. Departures Bravo Charlie Juliet, request Manly sector if available.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, cleared Manly sector.
Cleared Manly sector, Bravo Charlie Juliet. Rose Bay out the right hand side. Nice houses of Mossman down the left hand side.
Harbour traffic, Sierra, which Bravo, Southern Highline, 500 feet eastbound for Rose Bay.
Out the right hand side is Watson's Bay and the open ocean. The Sydney heads there.
Yeah, Whiskey Bravo, this is X-ray Whiskey Zulu, Bradley said 1000, just making a right turn. Thanks, Brad.
We'll go see Bondi a bit later. This is Manly Beach first, some of the northern beaches. This is Manly down here with the wharf to go over the Circular Quay. We'll go up to Freshwater and Curl and turn around at DY, come back, and then we'll go see Bondi in a little bit. Plenty of nice beaches in Sydney, hard to pick the best one.
Departures, Qantas 516, departing 1,400, climb to 5.
Qantas 516 departures, g'day, identified. Leaving 2,500, cancel speed restrictions.
Leaving 2,500, cancel speed restrictions, Qantas 516.
There's Freshwater Beach, beautiful clear water down there, people learning to surf. And we'll turn around and put the beaches out the other side very shortly. What a nice day today, absolutely perfect. Turn around here. These nice houses with a swimming pool. There's Longreef Headland beside us. View up more of the northern beaches. Someone needs to clean out their swimming pool down there. It's empty at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
And there's the beaches down the right hand side. And the city's in full sunshine. That's nice. This is Curl Beach down the right hand side. I'm looking through the water to look for any fish or sharks or dolphins or something, but they're all hiding away. Maybe a seaweed or stingray, anyway.
56 today, helicopter X-ray 2 Victor, bridge 5 outbound, 800 for 1,000.
X-ray 2 Victor, departures, g'day, identified.
Specific.
Departures, Mabay 130, 130, 060, climbing flight level 280.
Mabay 131, departures, g'day. Qantas 516, cancel SID, clear direct Banda, climb to flight level 280, the SID special high requirements still apply.
Cancel SID, direct to Banda, flight level 280, and the SID height requirements still apply, Qantas 516.
There's Manly Beach down the right hand side. There's a nice little beach down here called Shelley Beach. It's a good spot to go snorkeling when the weather's right. Maybe not after all this rain, it'll be a bit murky and yuck, but pretty nice generally.
Now we've got jellyfish.
Yeah, catch some jellyfish, perfect. This is North Head here and South Head. We'll turn over Manly and the wharf there. City in front of us. We'll go a little bit closer in again and then we'll go down. Bondi's down that way, so we'll go there in a little bit.
departures, X-ray Whiskey Zulu, middle head 1000, progress 195 South.
X-ray 2, X-ray Zulu, cleared 195.
Cleared 15000, X-ray Whiskey Zulu.
Bridge and outbound head, hold there front.
City departures, g'day, Qantas 11 Super, passing 800, climbing to 5000.
Qantas 11 Super departures, g'day, identified.
Look at swimming pool, swimming pool, swimming pool, swimming pool. Very nice houses through here. And either side.
Departures at 410, 1700.
Say again, sorry?
One of those is yours?
I wish.
410 departures, g'day.
Very
identified.
expensive.
Cancel speed restrictions.
I can't afford.
Today, no speed, just 410.
Nice view of Sydney City out the right hand side. And a Qantas jet going off to Los Angeles, just climbing out over the horizon there. Departures, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet, request 195 southbound.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, cleared Bondi Beach southbound.
Cleared 195 southbound, Bravo Charlie Juliet. 405 Victor 1 South, traffic helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet is middlehead, 1,200 feet, on set 1000, tracking Sydney heads, coastal southbound for Sydney. Victor 1 South.
Navy 131, cleared direct to OMCAX. OMCAX, Navy 131.
Through Sydney heads, out to the open ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean in front of us. I think if we go about, that way is America, and around there is New Zealand. But we run out of fuel before we make it. We'll just go past the coastline here, Dover Heights.
Just 410, we'd like to maintain a heading of 020, thanks for weather avoidance.
710, cancel seat flighting 020.
Just turn these guys down a bit.
Heading of 020, just
Say again, sorry, the whitewash the waves?
Very nice cliffs.
Yeah, there's good vertical cliffs of sandstone there. As we come around the corner, they should be lit up by the sunshine as well. Nice golden colour. And a view across Sydney Harbour out the right hand side in full sunshine. Absolutely beautiful day. Not too hot, not too windy. Nice clear air after the rain yesterday. So
132, 35,
look at these waves, beautiful.
Qantas 11, turn right heading 060.
Right heading 060, Qantas 11.
Qantas 11, you can cancel speed restrictions.
Cancel speed restrictions, Qantas 11. Just 410, we can track left or right as required now.
Just 410, Roger, cleared direct to Banda, climb to flight level 280, the seat special height requirements still apply.
Okay, copied, special height requirements in place, then repeat direct to Banda, flight level 280, that's 410.
There's houses right up to the cliff edge, overhanging the cliff. The waves, like little caves underneath down the bottom there.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, swimming pool right up on the edge. Got a lot of trust in these sandstone. And this is Bondi Beach. You can just see the bottom end of Bondi there. We'll get a closer view as we come around the corner. Bondi Beach on the right hand side, and I'll put it in front of us shortly.
Qantas 11, clear direct to Dipso.
Direct to Dipso, Qantas 11.
Busy again.
Good morning, that's here. 800, Highway, crossing 1,500.
Say again, sorry?
Just a bit of rain.
Yeah, you see it rain again, but very short-lived, and we turn into the sunshine and it's over. There's Bondi Beach. People learning to surf up the north end. Icebergs pool down the bottom end and restaurant. We'll do the Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. A nice walk along the waterfront. There's a little pathway here, people walking around the headland. Nice full waves crashing up against the swimming pool there, very rough. We come past Tamarama and Bondi beaches. What a graveyard looks like from the air, overlooking the ocean. A jet from the airport. Was it Emirates? Yeah. Flag on the back.
And just 410, now clear the weather, we can resume direct Banda.
Bye.
Just 410, clear direct to Banda. Thank you, clear direct Banda, just 410.
Valley Beach with the concrete sunbaking areas covered by water. Coogee Beach in front of us. And the airport just over those houses there. You can see the runway going east-west. Not in use today.
Quite a few beaches in Sydney.
Say again, sorry?
There's quite a few beaches in Sydney.
There's a couple to look for, isn't there? You can choose Bondi, Coogee, Bronte, Manly, Freshwater. Plenty
I
to choose.
thought it's only Manly and Bondi.
No, plenty, yeah. Yeah, you can go to any of them, they're absolutely stunning. So, yeah. There's Wedding Cake Island down the left hand side, little waves crashing over the top.
24 degrees 7 knots, runway 34 right, clear to land.
Runway 34 right, clear to land, velocity 512.
22 kind of departures.
And more nice houses here. This one's got a photo shoot on today. Oh, they're packed up. No, they're still there. You see all the people around that little red outfit there, doing a photo shoot down there. That fancy house. Sydney Tower, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet, request inbound for Hotel 8.
Alright, Charlie, check. State Maroubra 5 inbound.
Bed Maroubra 5 inbound, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet. This is Maroubra Beach. We'll climb up a bit higher and head back to Sydney Airport. You can see all the way down the coastline to Wollongong, Bondi Bay with Sydney Airport. Maroubra Beach going underneath us now with lots of seaweed down there. We can see back up the coastline and out to the city. We can see rain up the coastline or rain out towards the Blue Mountains, just little patches of it. But pretty nice conditions overall.
Target 8, killing 432.
Killing 432, Sydney Tower.
So I believe you got the footage, so once we're done with the day, I'll upload it tonight and probably send the raw footage to you, unedited.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I saw that note, yes.
I was requesting for like 2 different fires.
Yeah, we'll send the, just straight out the camera and
Okay.
send it off to you, yeah. This one runs at 1080 and this one runs at 4K. Because this one we shrink down normally, so we don't have high quality, but this one 4K should be quite nice.
It's 30 FPS.
Say again, sorry?
30 frames per second.
Yes, 30 frames, yes. Yeah, we don't need 60 frames or 120 or anything, we just do 30 frames. Gonna have to clean the windshield though, we just hit a really good bug. I don't know if it'll show up on your footage. There's a big splatter there.
Charlie, clear visual approach Hotel 8, report on the ground.
Cleared visual approach Hotel 8, look at Bravo, Charlie, Juliet. You can see industrial areas versus golf courses versus residential. All very easy to spot from up in the air. Nice rooftop gardens down here. Someone's got a little spa on their roof. Sydney City in front of us there.
Taxi Whiskey to long ground.
Oh, big tournament on here. Oh, it's on the Australian golf course. Yeah.
Darwin now. Vacate uniform 1, runway 348, clear land.
Off at uniform 1, 348, clear land, killing 432.
Yeah, look at all the people. Where's the golfers? Ah, there they are, just before the bunker. Swing, poof, off we go.
The Tiger Woods over there.
Maybe, yeah. I'll have to look it up.
Not just Donald Trump.
And there are more of them here. Yes, I see.
Can you remind me your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam. Okay, thanks.
Sydney Tower 34, 78.
Velocity 478, Sydney Tower.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, down and clear Hotel 8.
Bravo Charlie. Velocity 478, wind 260 degrees, 7 knots, runway 348, clear land.
Land 34 right, velocity 478.
So that's us, back on solid ground.
Nice. Thank you, that was really amazing.
My pleasure. So just hang tight for a moment. We're just going to let the engine cool down.